Today we're going to install a minimalist wardrobe. First, let's screw all the long screws into the wooden board. 40 screws in total. Step 2. We'll start assembling the cabinet sections by following the instructions in the manual and the video. Be sure to tighten the round screw clips securely, otherwise the cabinet will not be stable. The back panel is assembled using plastic strips and secured to the back of the cabinet with small thumbtacks. Install the clothes rod. Installing cabinet door hinges horizontally. When installing cabinet doors, secure the top and bottom hinges first, then secure the middle one. The screw on the inside of the hinge controls how far the cabinet door extends. First, loosen the screw and pull the cabinet door outward to create enough clearance for the door to open and close smoothly. Then tighten the screw to secure it in place. If the cabinet door is protruding and not level, you can adjust it by tightening the second screw on the hinge. Complete all installations,